Did you still remember about that? Currency. What do you know about currency? Bahasa Indonesianya apa itu currency? A system of money in common use, especially for people in a nation. For example, dollars, euros, Japanese yen, pound sterling gitu ya. Sistem uang yang digunakan di negara tertentu, di suatu negara ada yang pakai dolar, ada yang pakai euro, ada yang pakai yen, ada yang pakai pound sterling. Pound sterling is the currency of what kind of nation? Pound sterling dipakai di mana itu? Holland ya, Belanda. Next slide please. These are the ways to read the correct way for currency. Currencies. 44.80 itu ada simbol pounds-nya. 44 pounds 80 gitu ya. Kalau ada simbol ini pounds terus ada titiknya dibaca currency itu. Kemudian euro 77.77, jadinya 77, titiknya dibaca mata uang tersebut euro 77. Kemudian 222, di situ ada simbol dollars. 222 dollars gitu ya. Next slide. Decimals 16.67, titiknya di situ dibaca poin. 16.67. 88.88%, 88.88%. 1.111, 1.111. Kemudian 34.67%, 34.67%. Ya. Kalau ada ini apa? Mata uangnya ya titiknya dibaca ini berdasarkan ini mata uang tersebut. Oke, now go on to bigger numbers. Bigger numbers 6.666, 6.666 Okay, there are two ways to read numbers. 6.600, 66.676, 600, and 66,676. If you would like to use the word "and" to differentiate between 100 and 1000, it belongs to British English. Jadi kalau mau baca ini angka atau bigger numbers untuk memisahkan ratusan dengan puluhan itu pakai kata "and" ya. Kalau American English itu without the word "and". 666,676. Kemudian 1.777.777. 1.777,777 British English. Kalau yang American 1 juta kan 1 million. 777,777 without the word "and", American English. Ini dengar ya suara saya?
Dengar, Bu.
Oke, good. Next slide. Kecepatan enggak?
Enggak, Bu.
Enggak. 1 M itu sama dengan 1 million atau a million, 1 juta. 3 BN, 3 billion. 3 miliar, nolnya ada 9. Kemudian dollars 8.8 BN, 8.8 billion dollars. Itu kalau ada BN sama dollarsnya di depan. Kalau tidak ada BN-nya, $8. Nah, gitu ya. 7.77 M itu di situ ada simbol pound, 7.77 million pounds. 8.88 BN di situ ada simbol pounds, 8.88 billion pounds. Kemudian 88 BN, 88 billion dollars. 888 M di situ ada simbol pounds, 888 million pounds. British English, kalau American English-nya 888 million pounds. American di situ. Next slide, please. Nah, it is your homework, yeah, your homework. And I would like to, share the location to submit your homework. And I will inform you as soon as possible. Ini tugas ya, as your homework. Please create an exercise consists of 40 questions based on the instruction to change the digit into words and vice versa. Jadi 20 soal mengubah angka jadi kalimat dan kalimat menjadi angka. Gitu ya. Any questions so far about number or currency?
No, ma'am.
No, if there is no
Not yet.
question, I think that's all today for currency. We can continue for the next topic, and I do hope that you can stop the recording here for the currency, and please go on to the next slide, to the next recording.